What happens when students stop learning technology from textbooks and start building it with their own hands? At IST Hyderabad, students got the opportunity to explore robotics and AI through a hands on workshop designed to bridge the gap between coding, electronics, and real world applications.
Honestly, I have been very interested in robotics since my childhood. And when I heard about this robotic workshop, I was like, bang on, this is what I needed.
I wanted to learn the basics of the robotics and the mechanics behind it.
Many students came in expecting theory. What they experienced was something very different.
Genuinely speaking, I did not expect much of interacting in a practical session. I thought it would be a regular theory section, but surprisingly, we did get a genuine hands-on experience.
Through sensors, circuits, coding exercises, and practical activities, students experienced how robotics actually works beyond the classroom.
Robotics is a combination on outer side. It's a software, electronics, electrical, and the mechanical. So the student must have a very strong foundation.
The workshop helped students understand that robotics is not just about writing code. It is about combining multiple disciplines to solve real-world problems.
Today I really came to know that before that I really thought robotics were only like hardware. It is we ourselves will build things, but here surprising element was we were building things both hardware and with coding.
Robots are the future, AI is the future. So we just want to be part of it.
By combining hands-on learning, industry mentorship, and practical problem solving, the Robotics and AI Workshop at IST Hyderabad gave students an opportunity to experience technology beyond theory. And for many of them, this was just the beginning.